Hey guys, Metal Sculptor Kevin Stone here, and I just wanted to give you an update today. It is Saturday. I'm working alone. I think it's February 1st. Michelle's up in Canada visiting the grandbaby, and I am here working on Golspar. So I'm working on the tail. I'm getting the spikes on the tail. They're just tacked right now, but I'll come back and weld them as I start scaling. Let's see here. I am going to be scaling it completely in scales. So this is the start of the tail, and kind of looks like an acorn or something like that. But that's the start of the scales. And then the scales are going to cover the tail and go all the way up the back. So as you can see, I'm building the wings. I got the wing structure started. Up at the very top, there's the first finger of the wing, and that was a lot of work, a lot of heavy welding. Yeah, so anyway, that's a 12-inch pipe and 6-inch pipe with 3/4 inch plate gusseting it. Sandwiched 2-inch plate, base plates, so it's 4 inches of solid plate with 3/4 inch gussets going across the back as well. So pretty heavy duty wing structure. I wanted to make sure that if we've got a 50 plus foot wingspan, that it's going to be strong enough for high winds, 150-mile-an-hour winds, etc. So that's what we're working on. I've had Michael welding the tail all out. He's never MIG welded before, so he's learning and he's doing a pretty good job. And I'm not really too worried about the aesthetics of it because as long as it's a good solid weld and there's no holes, we're good as far as leaking. So I've checked it all, made sure there's no major holes in it before we scale it, and so that's where we're at here. He started on the leg a little bit here. Lots of welding left to do, of course, the rest of the body. Here's a good view of the wing structure going up. That's a big plate up there. It's all coped, and then we're going to that's the hatch going in, of course. And what else? Oh, and then we've got the head here. So I've been mounting the head to the neck, up inside. I don't know if you'll be able to see it from this angle. There's a box, a control box, and then up inside is a igniter. I don't know if you can see it up there, but there's a Honeywell igniter up there, and that will be fed with a copper gas line down the neck into the body. And then I have the plumbing in the neck to do and the skinning to do. Michelle finished the templates, or some of the templates, before she left for Canada. So she's going to be gone for a couple of weeks, and it's me and Michael finishing off the big dragon. So you can see the big wing plates there. We are going to weld the body out now, and as soon as the feet are welded, we're going to cut them off and make little what would you call them? Little tabs, I guess, inside to make the feet removable, little tabs to support the ankle of the foot when we put them back on, and then it'll have a good tight fit. And they are removable for two reasons. One is to make it not so wide shipping. The other is to anchor the plates to the ground with big concrete anchors through the plates into the ground, and then put the feet back on and hide how it's mounted on the ground. So that's what we're working on. You can see another tube we got done Friday with another tube ready to lift and put another finger up there. So we're working on this wing right now. We're going to put all the fingers on, then we'll go and do the other wing and put all the fingers on that wing, and then I can start wire framing and designing the armatures to skin the wings and make them look like muscles and bones and tendons and that kind of thing. I have some ideas for the wings that I think will be pretty cool. And I'm always forgetting where the camera is on this phone. So anyways, thanks for following, guys. We have a big update. So I'm going to be unveiling this dragon at the end of March. Last weekend of March, we're going to have an open house. We're going to have a party here and unveil Golspar, the 70-foot fire-breathing dragon. So keep that in your calendars, and everyone is welcome. And I'll be contacting everybody this week coming up to start planning the event. And yeah, it's going to be pretty awesome. And I appreciate all the follows, and continue as we build Probably my biggest project ever is a 70-foot fire-breathing dragon. Talk to you soon.